Did you know that some Masters in Finance programs come with guaranteed internship opportunities built right into the curriculum? That means, as a student, you're not just learning theory, you're actually working in real finance jobs, earning real money, and building industry connections before you even graduate. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm Trishna, and in today's video, we are diving into these game-changing MI programs that offer work experience as an integral part of the degree itself. These are perfect for students who want to hit the ground running in their finance careers, especially if you don't have much prior work experience. So let's break it all down: where you can study, what kind of internships you'll get, how much you might earn, and how these programs set you up for long-term success. First off, let's talk about why built-in internships or co-op opportunities matter so much. Well, finance is one of the most competitive industries out there. Employers want candidates who not only know their way around balance sheets and valuation models, but who have actually used these skills in the real world. That's why an internship isn't just a line on your resume, it's a proof that you can deliver value in a fast-paced, high-stakes environment. Now, what exactly is a co-op? Well, it's a structured program where you alternate between studying and working, sometimes extending your degree by a few months but giving you long stretches of paid work experience. Internships are usually shorter, say 10 or 12 months, but they are still incredibly valuable. Many Masters in Finance programs, top ones around the world, have started embedding these directly into their curriculum. And you know what the best part is? Some of them pay quite well. So let's now take a closer look at a few programs that stand out. For example, schools in Germany like WHU Otto and Frankfurt School of Finance are known for strong industry partnerships. Many of their students are required to complete internships as part of the degree, and these often happen at top firms like Deutsche Bank, Allianz, and even European Central Bank. And same goes for schools like HEC Montreal in Canada as well. They offer a co-op model where students spend up to 4 months working in companies while earning their degree. And then in France as well, Schema Business School's Masters in Financial Markets and Investment also builds in real-world exposure into the structure. The school has campuses in Paris and Raleigh, and depending on your location, you can access internships in either market. Internships here aren't just encouraged, they are a graduation requirement. So you need to complete the internship as part of a requirement for your graduation degree. This means by the time you get your degree, you'll already have solid work experience under your belt. And it's not just Europe. In the US, programs like the one at MIT Sloan offer summer internships as a core part of the curriculum, with many students securing roles in investment banking, private equity, or hedge funds as well. Salaries during these internships can range from $2,000 per month to over $6,000 per month, depending on the role and company that you join. And speaking of salary, let's zoom in on that for a second. A built-in internship often leads to full-time offers. In fact, at many schools, 60 to 80% of students who intern at a firm get offered permanent roles after their graduation. And those jobs are, of course, high-paying. We are talking $80,000 to $150,000 as starting salaries in cities like London, New York, and Frankfurt. That kind of return makes the cost of the degree much easier to justify. Which brings us to tuition. These programs are, of course, not free and they are not cheap either, but the real-world work component gives you a leg up on repaying any loans or covering expenses that you are going to incur. European schools tend to be more affordable. In fact, some public universities in Germany charge no tuition at all, while private programs may cost between €50,000 to €30,000. In North America, tuition ranges from around $40,000 to $90,000, but many schools offer scholarships and financial aid which can help you with financing. Financial aid is also worth looking into seriously. Many of these programs offer merit-based scholarships right from the admission process. Others have need-based support or assistantship options as well, where you can work on campus while studying. Apart from this, external scholarships like the DAAD in Germany, Fulbright in the US, and Erasmus Mundus across Europe are also great resources. Now, let's quickly talk about visas, especially for our international students. One big advantage of built-in internships is that they often come with structured visa support. In Germany, for example, your student visa allows you to work part-time during your studies and full-time during internships. And after graduation, you can extend your visa for 18 months to find a job. And once you do find a job, you can apply for the European Union Blue Card, which opens up opportunities across the whole of Europe. France also offers a 2-year post-study work visa, and programs like SCHEMA support you throughout the entire process. And if you're in the US, in a STEM designated MIF program, you can get up to 3 years of optional practical training or OPT. That's a solid amount of time to land a job, start earning, and even transition to a long-term visa like the H-1B visa. So, if you're someone who learns best by doing, wants to earn while you learn, and is serious about landing a finance job right after graduation, MIF programs with built-in internships or co-op options are the way to go. You won't just leave with a degree, you'll walk out with work experience, industry contacts, and often a job offer already in hand. Well, that was all for today's video. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a like, leave a comment if you have questions about any specific schools or countries, and of course don't forget to subscribe for more insights into top masters in finance programs around the world. See you in the next one.